know a lot of you guys are starting to travel, and I have two travel accessories that I am excited to share with you guys. One is this little mini duffel, and then some compression packing cubes. I'm going to show you how they compare to regular packing cubes. And both of these are from Bagsmart, and they did send me both of these items to review for you guys, but I've been buying Bagsmart for years now. It's actually the brand that I will search first when I need some new travel gear, just because it's really affordable, the quality is there, and it's really comparable to some of the more expensive items, and they have something that's very similar to it. It's very organized for when you're traveling. So I am excited to share these two items with you guys today. So I do want to thank Bagsmart for sending me both of these items to review for you guys. So let's go ahead and get started. So I first want to just go ahead and start with this mini duffel. Isn't this so cute? So you can take this to the gym. You can use it as an actual work bag for taking maybe lunch and your cosmetics or whatever you need to the workplace. Also, this is great for commuters if you have to go on some public transportation to commute back and forth to work and you have to take a lot of stuff with you. This is cute. Now, this is not real super big. It does have a 5.5 liter capacity, so it does fit more than you would think in here, but this is a really good gym bag because it has this function on the bottom where you could add like a little small yoga mat, nothing too big and bulky, but it does have some buckles that I'll go over with in just a moment, where you can slide some of your gym gear under here if you need to. This does come in 3 other colors. This is a really great beige, so I thought it was a good neutral. It's the mini gym bag, and it does retail for $39.99. And actually, this by itself weighs less than a pound, so it's very lightweight to begin with. So you can pack it as full as you want to, and it's not going to be very heavy. So let's go ahead and go with the outside features. So you do have these top handles that you can carry it by, or you also have this strap where you can carry it over your shoulders. This is really nice and padded right here. And then they have this bungee feature on the side. If you have noticed in a lot of your handbags, they have the bungee accessories and things. So they're really going along with the trends this year with this bungee detail. You have these swivel hooks that's going to hook it to your D-rings on the side if you choose to carry it over your shoulders. And on each side, you do have this elastic area to store, so you can see how much room that you have in here. And it does have the elastic where you can tighten it up if you need to keep the thing secure, and that's on both sides. You also have this front little pocket. It's a slip pocket, and you can see the length of this. You could probably put some earbuds in there if you wanted to do that, but it does not zip or Velcro or have a magnetic closure. So this is just an open slip pocket in the front. And then you can see this mesh, this breathable mesh that's all around. So it's made of the breathable mesh, but then on the side, you've got this really slinky, like nylon feel to the sides, that front pocket, and then at the bottom, it almost feels like a neoprene. It also has these 2 attachments, so you can detach this, but these are fun little accessories. You know, the bag charms are very popular. And then you can also add some additional personal charms on this if you want to do that as well. And then on the front, you can see you have these snaps, which makes it very easy to adjust this bottom part. So at the bottom here, you do have this strap where you can slide something under here to take to the gym if you're taking this to the gym. But this has a slider right here where you can adjust this to be bigger if you need it to be. So as you can see, I have adjusted this one side where you have this much room. But if you don't have anything that you're wanting to put on the bottom and you want this really close to the bottom of the bag, then you can just keep it as it is, as tight as it'll get, but then this is as loose as it'll get. So you can slide something under there, and I think that's a really neat feature. So it does button in the front to adjust that slider, and then in the back of it, it does have a buckle. So as you can see, you would just slide that buckle on the bottom of this. So I've shown you everything on the outside. Let's go to the inside. I want to show you the top. So it is a top zip, and it's got these chunky zippers, which are always really nice and smooth. And it's got that little bungee detail on the zipper pull as well. And then when you open it up, here's what the inside looks like. It has a very silky feeling lining, which is really nice. It feels like a good, sturdy, and almost like an expensive lining on the inside. On the back here, I want to show you, it has this zipper pocket on the back, and you can see it has that waterproof material. So if you want to put some toiletries in here or something like that, if you want to take it as a little small bag when you're traveling, then you have this waterproof area in the back that's easily wipeable. So if you want to put makeup on here that you don't want to get the inside dirty, you can easily wipe this area out. Or if you want to put liquids or something in there that you don't want to have to worry about getting to anything else in the bag, then you can do that. And then you have another zipper pocket that is on the front of the bag that is just like a privacy zipper area. But this is really nice how you've got a lot of room on the inside and you've got some organization. This is really cute and compact, but very neat to take with you if you're wanting up to the gym, to workplace, or to commute, or just a little small travel bag. If you don't take a lot with you when you travel and you want to have this as a personal item on the airplane, this is really cute. So I've got to say that most of the time when I travel, I do use packing cubes. My last trip was a last minute packing deal and we were packing for 8 days. And so I just threw everything in my suitcase. But most of the time I do actually use packing cubes because I think it's a lot more convenient. My kids, when they travel, I have a set of packing cubes for each one of them. They're different colors so that I can know which one's which. And then I just throw their packing cubes in a drawer when we go to wherever we're going. And it's really easy to get their outfits out. I have never used compression packing cubes, so I'm really excited about this. So I'm going to show you what sizes come with this 6-piece, and then I'm going to show you like a regular packing cube versus the compressed packing cube. And then I'm also going to kind of pack these in the backpack. So these are called the Blast 6-piece compression travel packing cubes. And I've got the Blast backpack that I've done a review on before for you guys. I'll link it down in the description box below. There's a suitcase, a carry-on suitcase, and a backpack that's great. I think it's the 2 pieces that you need if you're wanting to do carry-on only. So I've got a review for those. They're from Bagsmart as well. I'll link it down below in the description box if you want to check it out, because the backpack I think is really great if you're wanting to put some extra clothes and things in there if you can't fit it in your carry-on. So that's what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to pack some things in the packing cubes and just see how much will fit in that backpack. So these do retail for $49.99 and you are getting 6 pieces and they feel very, very durable. The zippers are great zippers, so I'm just going to show you how the compression works, and we're going to see a side-by-side comparison of the difference in the size from a regular packing cube that's the same size to the compression packing cubes. So these come in 5 different colors, but I liked this beige because it matches my backpack and it matches a lot of the other accessories that I have as well. I love the green detail that's around. I think it gives it a little bit of a pop. It also has this mesh, so it's going to keep everything that's in there, all your clothes and stuff, really nice and breathable, so you're not going to have to worry about any smells or anything. It also has a carrying handle as well, which I really love. And I've got all of them packed in here together, so let me just go ahead and open this up and show you the different sizes that you'll get with this 6-piece set. And as you can see, this one zipped all the way around and opens really nicely. So this is, I think, the medium size. And you get 2 of them, and both of them have that handle at the top, the breathable area, and these are the medium. And then you get one of the large size. So you can see the difference between the medium and the large. It is a little bit bigger, so you get one of the large. And then this also has a buckle to, I guess, condense it even more, compress it even more on this one. The mediums do not have that, so it looks like the large is the only one that has this buckle detail. And then you get 2 of the small, again, with the handles at the top, the mesh at the top, and then you've got your compression on these. And then you get a shoe bag, but this shoe bag can also double as a backpack as well. So here's your shoe bag, and then if you cinch it up, you can also like carry it on your back as a backpack because it has these 2 straps right here. So that's really neat that it is a double duty, and it also has that mesh at the bottom to keep your shoes smelling really nice and fresh. I wanted to put a pair of jeans and a sweater in a regular packing cube, and then put another pair of jeans and sweater that are the same size in the compression packing cube just to show you the difference. So here are the 2 packing cubes I am going to compare. So this is a regular packing cube. It's almost the same size. This one is a slightly bigger. So what I'm going to do is I am going to put this sweater and a pair of jeans in this packing cube. Zip it up. And here we have a regular packing cube with a pair of jeans and a sweater. I'm going to unzip this so we can actually see how the compression works. So this is unzipped. So as you can see, when this is unzipped and not compressed, it's about the same as this one over here. And I have a sweater, same kind of sweater, and same size jeans and everything. And I'm putting it in the compression packing cube. And we're gonna zip it up. So as you can see, this is what it looks like with a pair of jeans and a sweater, same as this over here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you how this will compress. So you're just gonna take that extra zipper and you're gonna just zip that all the way around. And that compresses this small. So a regular packing cube, you're gonna have about twice the height as a compressed packing cube. I'm going to pack a few more of these packing cubes just so we can kind of see maybe what will fit in that Blast backpack that's also from Bagsmart that I did a review on maybe about a month ago, I think it was. So let me go ahead and pack some more of these up and we'll see what will fit. So I have all the packing cubes packed, and I actually was able to pack a week worth of clothes and shoes in all these packing cubes. So I've got the large one packed 2 of the small ones, and then 2 of the medium ones, and then I've got a pair of sneakers and a pair of sandals in the shoe bag. And here is the backpack. This is a great backpack, you guys. It's the Blast backpack. So actually, the material that is on this is the same as the material that is on these packing cubes, because these packing cubes are called the Blast. But I'm gonna have both the packing cubes and the mini duffel bag linked in the description box for you guys to check out, along with the review for this one. So this backpack actually opens up like this, like a little duffel. And it's got a shoe compartment, but I'm not going to use the shoe compartment because I'm going to see if these shoes will fit. So I'm going to try to put the large one on the bottom. And then I'm going to try to put the medium and a small and the other small in here. Okay, that's all that's going to fit. So the 2 pair of shoes could fit in the shoe compartment that is in this, but as far as this backpack, so you can see this backpack right here, I've got the large, the medium, and both smalls in here. And then this even compresses it a little bit more. So I was able to fit all the packing cubes except for one of the mediums and the shoe bag. So let me just see how heavy this makes this, because this is a backpack and it is going on your back. And it doesn't feel too heavy at all. That's another thing that I was concerned about. If you put like compressed packing cubes in a backpack, is it gonna really make it heavy? And I don't feel like it does. So now that I've tried these out, I'm gonna try them on my next trip. And I feel like compression packing cubes are gonna be the only way I'm gonna go from now on, because of the fact that I'm gonna be able to fit a lot in there. And these zippers are sturdy. I love that you have the mesh, so it keeps everything breathable inside. So I hope that you have enjoyed this review on 2 of the newer products from Bagsmart. If you did, please hit that like button. And also tell me if you have any trips coming up. I'd love to know where you're heading for either spring break or maybe some summer travel that's coming up. I would also love to have you consider hitting that subscribe button. I do weekly videos on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, travel. Until next time, I hope you have a wonderful day.